you think about Ashridge House, the beautiful Ashridge House and its grounds, that serves as a magical meeting point, perhaps a magician's guild or a magical castle where people come together to learn and practice their craft. The doctoral program itself is like a quest for knowledge and understanding. My name is Matt Reeves, and I'm a participant on the Ashridge Hult Executive Doctorate in Organizational Change.
My name is Ekaterina Timokhina, or shortly Katya. I'm on the same program with Matt. How I remember it, that we met first in one of the supervision groups on the first session, but then we started cooperate more actively and deeply on one of the participants-led workshops to prepare the activity for our group to research and inquire into our doctoral journeys. And we chose fairy tale activities. And Matt took, I remember, a leading role here. The workshop we did with Matt consisted of sharing our doctoral journeys, and we suggested the form of fairy tales. And I remember how many participants shared afterwards that they were at first reluctant to write a fairy tale, and after they shared that many of them started to use it as a part of their method to write fairy tales. I would say it was a big success.
The cohort approach of DOC means that there's a wide variety of different people and experiences and perspectives to engage with. With our cohort over the several years, members have introduced us to quilting, to dance, to collage, to mask making, and even martial arts as ways to support inquiry and learning in the world.
This is the text which I would like to read aloud. Once upon a time, two lonely warriors met at the campfire, thinking how to prepare an empowering potion for their cohort of likely-minded co-wayfarers, to let them transform possible poisons of their experience into elixirs of their tales.
They searched deep in the oldest, most venerable libraries of the world, scouring ancient tomes for magic of the past. In these tomes, they came across the old stories, the fairy tales that people had told one another since the dawn of time. They instinctively knew that these stories contained transformative magic and were determined to harness it.
For me, fairy tale is a very strong instrument with its own language. And the language it provides you with becomes your resource, because you can talk about unspeakable things, about different barriers you have to overcome. If you take the language of a fairy tale, you can speak about literally everything, and it becomes your resource instead of being your, painful experience. I would like to say, be curious, experiment, go to the doctoral program, and you will open many doors which you never imagined existed.
For me, the doctoral program at Ashridge came at exactly the time I needed it. I am about 20 years into my career in international development, and the program has given me a chance to reflect on what I've learned, what I've not learned. And I would certainly encourage anyone who's thinking about doing it to explore as much as possible up front, to meet with faculty, to talk with existing participants, and take advantage of open days, etc., before making a decision to apply. Although I would certainly say that if you do, there's the potential for a wonderful wonderful experience.